probably know AI is super popular now. Yeah, indeed, it's super popular. But what's the most popular category in AI industry? That's what we're going to talk about today. And the short answer is AI infrastructure startup, the model optimization as a service. So I just Google AI model optimization startups, and I got tons of results. And basically, like you say, the first two news just happened in these 24 hours. So you know how popular it is. Before we dive in, if you would like to receive more technology news, technology company trends analysis like this, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is my greatest encouragement to make more videos like this. So yes, this is the just a rough Google result. I just search model optimization, AI infrastructure, startups, and you can see there are many pieces of news. AI development platform startup Data Rubber raises 270 millions, a almost 3 billion valuation, which is huge. It's also an AI development platform, and also there's a news AI tool maker raised 7 million pounds just today. And Intel acquire AI companies. It's a optimization platform. Okay, so there are so many news like this. And what's AI optimization platform? It's basically you train an AI model, but this model usually is large and very hard to deploy. It's not really efficient. Then the platform is basically allows you to upload your model, then it will optimize your model for you. Then you will have the lightweight, slightly less accurate model, but with a lot of performance in terms of inference speed gained. The reason why these kind of startups like showing up a lot is actually AI data scientists. Let's say deep learning. Deep learning is already been popular for over 5 years. But their 5 years is actually a very short amount of time. The infrastructure, the toolkit around it, it's just a very infant stage, in a very early stage. So that's why the infrastructure, the toolkits, starting to catch up. Imagine maybe 10 years ago, when the software development, web development was still pretty new. It's just like today's AI, right? Then the people understand what's the best practice to do software development, and there are a lot of cloud infrastructure, reduce the work the developer need to do. Show up like AWS and GCP, many services. And now it's also like that. There are a lot of platforms, AI platform, model optimization platforms that try to reduce the data scientists, AI engineers workload. It's a platform as a service, but this is for AI. So that's the reason why you see so many these kind of startups showing up. That's because data scientists already been popular for 5 years, and it's getting more mature, but it's still very early stage. So after this kind of development stage, the next step is infrastructure. We try to optimize the process of developing AI. So that's why. Okay, so that's all for today. If you would like to receive more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, I'll see you next time.